I'm at the National Stadium today. It was terrible. This is not a democratic government at all. It's not a democratic government at all. Shooting at tear gas on peaceful protesters is bad. It's bad. It's just too bad. I'm here with a friend. Please.
Yes, it was a peaceful protest. We never at any point became violent. We were just there. The police, we came, I spoke to my people and said we should be peaceful, irrespective of the counter and the provocative demonstration from the other side. The military were even better today. I was surprised to see the soldiers. I've never seen the soldiers as orderly as this. They were peaceful, they were orderly. The police were the ones that came up and told us where we would stay. I told my people, my co-protesters, I said, we are my co-comrades, that we should be peaceful, we should stay where they want us to stay. And we stayed, they all obeyed. We were orderly, we were peaceful. We were talking with the press, and we were giving them our agendas, we were giving them our pains, our frustrations, why we had to speak as Nigerians. I think Nigeria is a signatory to the United Nations Convention of the Fundamental Rights of Human Rights, 1948 Geneva Conference. I wonder why now we don't have the right to speak. They have turned us protesters, harmless protesters, to terrorists. That if we protest, we'll be charged for treason and felony. I've never heard it. The whole world is watching, the whole world is seeing. Even during the time of the worst military junta in Nigeria, his blessed memory, Abacha, we demonstrated, we protested. He never did this to us. We never had it this way. Why this democracy that we fought for? We fought and lost lives. A lot of our comrades lost their lives. The remaining people that are on ground, they say our blood should still be smeared. Yes, we are not running, our blood should not be smeared. But the truth is that the protest of today, hashtag Free Sowore, hashtag Nigerians must be liberated from slavery, hashtag enough is enough of suffering, hashtag enough is enough of the bad sector in education, hashtag enough is enough of our children graduating without job, hashtag our children have been turned to corporate criminals after graduation, hashtag the Nigerian police barrack is an eyesore, the dogs of the elite cannot sleep there, cannot even have a look at it, hashtag enough of men who are able-bodied men, they have been turned to handicap. Hashtag Nigerians must be free from the oppressors. Enough of oppression. I'm not against Muhammadu Buhari. I'm not against anybody. I'm against the policies of the government that does not. We are against the policy of government that does not favor the masses. We voted for change. This is not the kind of change we voted for. We voted for life. We voted for safety. Climate of insecurity has reached a level that we no longer, some of us don't sleep in our houses. People don't go on the streets anymore. If you are going on the street, it's possible you tell your children I may not come back. It has gone to the climax. We don't have other country than Nigeria, and that is why some of us who dare said we will come out to speak to the world, to let the president of our country, to let every of his aides, everyone that are misleading and misguiding the policies of the nation and misleading the originality of our nation from being what Nigeria is supposed to be, they should please hear us right. We have a generation. Even if you take all your children abroad, I am sure somehow, someday they will come back to this country because this is their root. No matter where you fly to, you will fly back someday that this is your root. We are asking for our rights. We are not doing anything different from what the Constitution entails us to do. And the Constitution is extraneous, it's duly extraneous, that's amended 1999, that we have the right to association, we have the right to protest, we have the right to speak. We are not carrying arms. Only suddenly somebody came and said there is order from above that we should be shot at, and they started firing at us. You can see me how I am. I was strangled. I was not running. I was ready to go. I am not running. I'm still not running. I'm still within the periphery. I told the soldiers. I spoke to them, and in short, the soldiers today. I think the soldiers should be kudos here today. The military are super. Please let people know that the military are not the major cause of perpetration of evil in this country. The police came and the Maba police, and they said there is order from above, that from the presidency, that we should be shot at. That they should shoot us, and you can see my eyes. They shot at us, tear gas, everything. Some people fell down. They rushed some to hospitals. In short, a girl I resurrected nice and asthmatic, and they had to quickly use the phone to call the parents to come and pick her to the hospital. We are still here right at the National Stadium. A lot of us have been dispersed, but the dogged ones are still on ground. We are talking to the press. We are addressing the press. Hashtag they must free Sowore. Sowore never met evil. Sowore is just one part of the revolutionaries among us.
The revolution is not
yes,
beyond
the revolution is beyond him.
Beyond him.
It's beyond Sowore. It's not just Sowore. All Nigerians are asking for revolution, and we decide to hear the voice of the masses who elected a government. And the government is for the masses, and the masses not for the government. They must listen to us, they must hear us. They must listen to us, they must hear us. If it means our blood this time, we are ready to smear it. Kill us. If you want to kill all of us, kill us. From the what happened today, they gave us a place to stay. We maintained. I told my people to maintain decorum, and we maintain decorum. Why the shooting? We believe for us to hear shoot at sight order has come from above, and they started firing and shooting at us. Can you imagine? You watch others from different social media and the media. We are covering it. We are saying more and more is coming. They are here, and we are still here. So Aluta continue Victoria as SATA. Yes, our right is our right, and nobody can take it from us. You can take our life, but you cannot take our right. But we have a right to life. We have a right to live, and that is what we are talking about. This country is for all of us, and not for a handful of people. Thank you.
You heard it. This revolution is not about Sowore. It's beyond him.
Yes.
It's beyond him.
Beyond
If anybody say that this Sowore paid, no. What is happening now is beyond. It's beyond him. It's beyond him. This is no government. This man have not seen anything yet. That we arrest. Tear gas. Let them come. We are here.
The soldiers behaved orderly today. Hey, soldiers, my kudos to you people today. I never see how soldiers will behave, but today the soldiers did you see them? They never. I just said it. I've sent it out now. I sent it out that is the police